Hey, Rob Weissman here, and right now we're going to go over how to add a username to your Google Ads account. So we need to add a username to Google Ads account to help identify the account when creating marketing campaigns and setting up different automations and systems. So to get started, we're going to go to ads.google.com. There is an ad manager.google.com. It looks like this. This is the wrong website. It does not work. You can click here and you'll be in a sign-in loop forever. So make sure you're going to ads.google.com. It'll look like this. Click sign in. And if you have multiple accounts attached to your email, my email, robertpropertyteam.com, I have all of these accounts attached. Now, if you have multiple accounts, you need to be able to identify which is the one that you want to add the name to. So assuming you are doing this in order to identify your local service ads account, which most of you will be, we're going to open up the local service ad account picker. So that's at adwords.google.com/local services. If you see a screen like this, it's because you have multiple accounts. We're going to go in and let's say we want to check the MB team. So I'm going to click this account. I'm going to verify that it is indeed the local service ad account that I am looking for. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to make a note of that number right there. And I'm going to go and match it up over here. So I can see over here, I've got 11363777752 matches this one. So I know that this is the local service ads account for the MB team. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'll see a page like this, and you can see here, there's no indication in this control panel, this is a local service ads account. It's not obvious. That's why we have to go to the local service ads profile manager in order to figure out which account to open. Once we're on this page and we have the right account, we're going to go to tools and settings. We're going to go to preferences. And then we're going to go to account name, and we're going to make sure we type in the name. I had just done this in a previous video that I had to redo, which is why it's already saved here. But you type in the name, you hit save, and then after a few minutes, it'll update in the account selector. And you can see here, we're going back into the account selector, and here we go. It now says use Google Ads as, and instead of Google Ads account, it says the MB team and the number. So when I'm identifying, when I'm setting up a Zap to pull data from the local service ads account into the email, into the CRM, into whatever it is, I can just select the MB team and do it directly like that. Otherwise, I'd have to remember each each account number for each client. So let's do this one more time. Let's say I want to figure out who is 7121. So I'm going to go over to account selection. I'm going to look for 7121. Here it is right here. Edge Realty Incorporated. So I'm going to copy that name. That's a long name. I'm going to open this Google Ads account up. I'm going to go to Tools and Settings, Preferences, Account Name. I'm going to paste it in and hit Save. That's all there is to it. After a few minutes, the account picker will be updated, and it will then say, oh, there we go, it's pretty quick. It'll say already Edge Realty Inc. instead of just the number. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about this process or encountering issues that I did not cover, make sure you reach out, email, text, leave a comment, whatever it is. And yeah, until next time, take care.